Brad Williams, Excel Prime. You inserted line breaks between texts. Sum up the number of line breaks within a cell. How do we do it? We're going to need a character 10. We're also going to include a len and a substitute. We're going to do some counting, and then we're going to do some subtraction. That's it. But the layout is kind of funky. We'll just bring this to your attention here. We just have orange. Well, clearly, there's no line break there. But here we have this apple and banana. Somebody inserted a line break, and we want to know the number of line breaks. Here we have 3. Here it is. We have len B6. Take a look at this thing, F9. See what happens here? This is Excel, and you're going to have to be aware of this. When you see as though it's cut off, go here, your arrow over here, and open this thing up. And this is what it looks like. Len, apple, banana, and then we have this. Well, there's a line break in here. What we need to do is, let's look at this thing, F9. Look here. We're looking at the text. If we look here, what are we going to do? We're going to follow these arguments. We have a len substitute. We have to substitute something. What are we substituting? We have our text, B6, apple, banana. We want to do old text, character 10, and we want to replace that with a blank. How does it look? Here, we're just going to highlight this cell, F9, and our length is 12. We substitute, and we get rid of the character, get rid of character 10, we have to highlight up through the second parenthesis, F9. 12 minus 11 is 1 plus 1 gives us the output, 2. The 1, we have to add 1 because we have to add that character 10. We have to add that space. We have to add the character return, and that gives us 2. If we do the same thing here, it's going to be 3. Blank cell, we can do the exact same thing. If there's blanks in here, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to put it if is blank in there. Don't know if you'll ever use this. Don't know why anybody would put a character breaks or character returns or return characters, but review it if you need to. Read it if you need it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.